Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 4MATIC Plus. This is not just an SUV, it's a statement of power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, wrapped in a package that comfortably seats 7. If you're looking for a high-performance family hauler that delivers sports car-level thrills, you're in for a treat. Let's start under the hood, because that's where the real magic happens. The 2025 GLS 63 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 with AMG's EcoBoost technology. This means it produces 603 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque, but with the 48-volt mild hybrid system, it can temporarily boost torque for even sharper acceleration. And trust me, when you put your foot down, this nearly 3-ton SUV launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4 seconds. That's insane for something this big. All that power is sent to AMG's fully variable 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum grip on any surface. The AMG SpeedShift TCT 9-speed automatic transmission keeps the power delivery smooth and responsive, whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through twisty roads. The result? An SUV that feels shockingly agile despite its size. Now, what makes the AMG GLS 63 more than just a straight-line monster is its suspension. It features the AMG Active Ride Control with adaptive air suspension, which constantly adjusts to keep the ride buttery smooth yet razor-sharp in corners. The system even counteracts body roll, making this massive SUV feel planted and confident when pushed hard. And if you ever take it off-road, though let's be real, most won't, the adjustable ride height and multiple terrain modes make it surprisingly capable. But let's talk design, because the 2025 model gets some fresh updates. The signature Panamericana grille with vertical slats immediately tells you this is an AMG. The redesigned LED headlights are slimmer and more aggressive, and the front bumper has larger air intakes, not just for looks but to improve cooling. Around the back, the quad exhaust tips and new rear diffuser make it clear this SUV means business. And if that's not enough, Mercedes offers 21-inch standard wheels, with optional 23-inch forged wheels for an even more commanding stance. Step inside, and this is where AMG truly flexes its luxury muscles. The cabin is a blend of high-end materials and cutting-edge technology. You get Nappa leather everywhere, carbon fiber or wood trim options, and the iconic AMG badging on the seats and steering wheel. Speaking of the steering wheel, the new flat-bottom AMG Performance steering wheel with touch-sensitive controls feels great in the hands. At the center of it all is the latest MBUX infotainment system. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and 12.3-inch touchscreen merge seamlessly, giving you access to everything from navigation to performance telemetry. And with AMG-specific graphics and track data, you can monitor real-time horsepower, torque, and even lap times, because why not? Mercedes didn't forget about comfort either. The AMG GLS 63 comes with massaging, heated, and ventilated seats for both front passengers, and even the second-row seats get heating. The optional executive rear seat package adds tablet controls, extra legroom, and even a champagne fridge. If you're looking for a luxury jet on wheels, this is it. Sound is another highlight. The standard Burmester 3D surround sound system is already impressive, but if you're an audiophile, you can upgrade to the Burmester high-end 3D sound system with 30 speakers for an immersive experience. And if you'd rather hear the AMG soundtrack, the active exhaust system lets you dial up the aggression at the press of a button. Safety is, of course, top-notch. The 2025 AMG GLS 63 comes with the full suite of Mercedes driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and even an AI-powered driver attention system. The augmented reality navigation projects directions onto the windshield, making sure you never miss a turn. So, who is this for? Well, if you need a luxurious, high-tech, and brutally fast SUV that can shuttle your family in supreme comfort while still dominating the road, the AMG GLS 63 is tough to beat. It blends performance, practicality, and prestige in a way few vehicles can. Would you take this over a Bentley Bentayga or a BMW Alpina XB7? Let me know what you think, and if you want to see more reviews like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.